So Illinois Business Consulting is really cool. So it's with the College of Business, but it's multidisciplinary. So it has 90 majors from across the university, and we do consulting projects for all kinds of companies. So I've worked with local nonprofits all the way up to like Fortune 50 companies. So every semester we get a new project, and then that project has like a specific goal, and then we work with a team of people. Yeah, IBC has been great because it's given me lots of experience interacting in a professional environment. So school gives me all of the knowledge that I need to actually do my job, but then my extracurriculars like Illinois Business Consulting give me opportunities to work with executives from Fortune 50 companies as an undergrad, and I think that's really special.